Yeah.
Doorbells, bit of a dance game.
I've fallen down the pecking order. I was running ILs before, which is probably worse. I am, so.
Even I had the same rando time. It's kinda cute.
Greenie, how does it feel though? Don't you want to be at least better than me in accuracy? Like we're terrible runners. Surprised you don't want to play NG Plus
but
just
like,
to top us.
but that's NG Plus. Who the fuck wants to run NG Plus?
I do.
Bacon.
I'm a Liquid stan, and Liquid told me that NG Plus is bad.
And then he ran it.
Yeah, he.
I'm never going to play any sort of NG Plus category. NG Plus more like NG smells.
Actually, you know what?
What about any percent for time skip?
Tika. Sorry, never mind. I mean, Tika would probably be keen first no matter what. Cammy, are you keen on potentially trying other categories of Shah?
I gotta get into the easier categories of
He
Shah
needs to play
first.
the first category.
Yeah.
I need to play the first
Like,
category.
Any percent in NG Plus. Those are easy categories.
Yes, a category where you skip everything. I like that
It's
one.
incredibly easy-ish.
I
But
like
I
that
was
one
saying-
too, Greenie.
Because we could do
Fucking hell.
just races where we race the different categories. Not like on Speed Simpsons or anything, but just like in a VC together. And then we go through all the categories, not all at once obviously, but just record our times for a little bit of fun. It gives us a chance to try out categories we might not have played much of.
Thing is,
Yeah,
I
but
just
why
want
would
to
For
I
me,
wanna
that's
do that
everything.
and like beat you in every race. Ethan?
Sorry, what was that, Greenie?
Why would I want to do that and beat you in every race?
I don't know. Maybe try some new categories, get a bit of satisfaction, considering you haven't PB'd in so long.
I mean,
some bit of
well,
some
I know
positive
Ticket said that they
enjoyment
haven't
out of
PB'd
Shah.
in 4 months, but I haven't played in 3 of those.
Meh.
Yeah, I know. But he haven't PB'd in 4 months. Washed up.
Exactly. Give yourself some satisfaction in Shah. Beat me in 6 categories then, Greenie.
No, because that involves effort, and I don't have any of that.
Oh, what's that? So does that mean that I'm actually good enough to challenge you, Greenie?
No, you're not. You're way
Well,
beyond.
then it should be no challenge. You means you
It is
shouldn't
no,
need to put in any
it is no
effort.
challenge. I can't be fucked.
So you can't be fucked to put in 0 efforts.
No. It's not like it would just be involve me playing the category, and that time in itself is too long.
What if? So I'm not even saying just against me, Greenie. What if you were also able to race against Bam and Tika?
Now
Tell me
they're
that
too good
wouldn't
for
be
me. They're way too good for me.
Bam hasn't done an NG plus run either.
I thought he did one.
But he's got sub 130, so he is good at the game.
You tell him that and he'll disagree with you.
Well, it's a good thing I'm not telling him that, right?
Versus Cammy, that's a hard
Yeah,
matchup.
That is a really hard matchup. I'll absolutely decimate you.
I mean, I'll run NMW, and
You'll still beat me.
You run all tasks.
if I run all tasks, it might be close.
I was gonna say run Hundo.
No, because he's like, I'm pretty sure anyone like even my first run with a dud controller was sub 3.
I mean, I got sub 3.
You
Oh.
don't want to hear about Corky's first run.
I know Corky got a 4-hour first run.
Yeah.
Corky's not good at video games. Got a.
She was racing Kelvin while he did Hundo.
And Kelvin won, lol.
Yeah.
I've
Kelvin's
seen
first Hundo run.
I've seen Corky play Among Us. So that's
Don't
my
you-
basis of game.
Don't you dare be like, oh, she's bad at Among Us, which means she's bad at all
I'm
games.
kidding. It's a joke.
I can't tell with you, because let's be honest, Among Us means nothing. If you're good at Among Us, it means nothing.
No, but it's like gaming in general. You game. Like, I could tell that Detox is really shit at games. Just from the way that he plays Among Us.
Ouch. Okay, what do you think of Bacon then?
Bacon doesn't play Among Us how I think he should. If I'm being completely honest.